Right. As it's the season of rains and everywhere in India we have been experiencing heavy spell of rains. This is one season where I am sure almost all of us are facing some or other sorts of hardship, especially while driving through the city roads. In some cases, it is almost on daily basis. We curse the authorities, the designers, the fellow civil engineers for the bad condition of roads, exits. It may be the potholes or waterlogging or so on. In this video, I am highlighting couple of issues which I am sure everybody has experienced it one or the other time. You can see this picture where 2 points have been identified, which are the normal typical scenarios everybody comes across, especially when you are driving on a 2-lane or 4-lane highways. Point A, wherein on either side of the road or maybe one side of the road there will be some undulations and accumulation of water when it rains bit heavily. When you drive through these locations, especially you are driving a car or a jeep or a two-wheeler, when there is a heavy vehicle from the opposite side which comes at a speed, there will be sudden flash of water on your window glass or on your face if you are driving a two-wheeler. Normally you are not anticipating such sudden flash, and when this water zip through your window glass or face, your mind suddenly becomes blank. For a split second you don't know what to do. For a split second you are almost blind, you cannot see anything. If you are also driving at a speed, certainly you are going to hit the vehicle on the front. If you are driving a two-wheeler, either you are going to fall down or you will hit the median or the side barrier, whatever it may be. The other scenario is at point B where the road is at the curve. This is being the lowest point usually, unless either otherwise you are driving through a hill road or a ghat section. Here the accumulation of water is much more than what I have explained in plan A. In this curved road, especially when it rains heavily, you will not be able to drive through the left, extreme left, because there will be more accumulation of water. And when you drive adjoining the median, there will be accumulation of water on the other side of the median. The similar type of water flash on your face or a window glass happens when the opposite vehicle comes on certain speed. This looks a normal scenario when I explain on video, but when you really experience it, you will understand the problem and the impact of it in a better way. Then you realize it, the problem of the bad design or the bad surface drain, whatever you call it. This is going to be a regular scenario in a 2-lane or a 4-lane highway. If it is a bridge and there is no drain outlets provided within the deck, and then the rain flurry is much more, and people below will suffer a lot, because the location at point B, there is a possibility of water overflowing through the crash barrier and falling down, and people standing below the bridge or driving below the bridge are facing much more difficulty. This is all because during the execution stage, the design stage, people don't think the probable problems which can have a major impact on driving or people's life at some times. So this is where the responsibility of the engineer when designing these type of public utilities and executing the utilities. People, while executing this type of works, may not understand their mistake or fault knowingly or unknowingly. They may be doing it. Since it is going to be a public utility, it is going to be a hardship for everybody. If it's a case of other civil structures like a building or an office structure or any other civil structure, the problem or hardship may be to a specific people who are using it. The public utilities are used by almost all the civilians, and it becomes much more important for the designers and the executors to pay attention to even the small minute points, so that you will provide a better life as well as you will avoid the cursing of people, especially during rain flurry. Thank you.